Our sailing adventure has really just begun. I created this channel not solely as a sailing channel, but a video diary of our journey, struggles, and joys. In addition to sailing, it's about the journey, or years, of planning and prep work to get to where we want to go. Travel, food, secluded anchorages, quaint towns, and everything in between. That goal of getting a boat, learning to sail, sacrificing, fixing things up, and eventually traveling the United States, the Bahamas, and the Caribbean is one that will take years to play out. So please subscribe to the channel and click that little like button. It really helps. As we struggle day by day, getting up, working multiple jobs, creating lists of to-do items, planning again, and then trying to anticipate all of the unknowns, we have that place we go, our boat, where the thought just puts you at ease, and when we drive down that lane to the marina, a wave washes over us, taking that stress away, and those Chesapeake Bay sunsets signal that a new day is coming and filled with possibilities.
What's up, buddy? What do you think? Awesome. Yeah, mommy?
Yeah?
Yeah, really cool?
Very cool.
All right, so today Peregrine is flying, and we are out on the Chester River right off the Chesapeake Bay, and this is our first shakeout sail of the season. Things got a little hectic over the summer, so things were delayed, and we are finally out on the water. So we're gonna have a great sail, and then tomorrow we're gonna go to the Chesapeake Annapolis boat show. So here we are on the Chester River, right off the Chesapeake. So we finally got both sails up, huh, babe?
Yep.
It's pretty awesome. So we're cruising down the river now at about 2 or 3 knots. I mean, it's not blistering fast, but it's not bad for this first day out, shaking these sails out. So it's going pretty good. What do you think, Lincoln? Awesome. Say cheese, guys!
Cheese.
What are you guys thinking?
Very cool.
You look so serious. What's wrong?
Don't. Mom eating.
She's eating. So anyway, today was our first day out on the new boat, so we sailed, and kind of like a little shakeout cruise, but
Yeah.
it was good. We got a nice little sail in, beautiful October day, and what did you think?
I think it was good.
You think it was good?
I think it was good. Shake the nerves off. Get out.
And we didn't kill anything or anybody. We didn't ram the boat into anything. We didn't sink, and we didn't do anything crazy. Nope. So we sailed out of the marina, went down the Chester River towards the bay. We got all the sails up. Followed.
Turns.
Yep. We did all our turns. We did all of our we plotted our courses. We were tacking. We were doing all the good stuff. And now we are back at the marina for a beautiful sunset and grilled sandwich and wine dinner. So we got a beautiful view out here, you know. So it's like, it's kind of cool, you know. So overall, what do you think? Do you think was it like less than you thought it would be, or was it like more relaxed, or?
No, I was extremely anxious.
Yeah.
Yeah. First time sailing
But
on our own.
after the fact.
But once we got out there and got the sails up, and you know, the longer we were out there, the more relaxed I was.
And I didn't yell.
You did not yell, which was good.
On camera, I didn't yell.
No, we're still married. It's good.
All right, so we're still married. It's all good, and we have a beautiful, beautiful October sunset. I love you too. What's up, baby?
Oh, nothing much.
Except I'm in the way.
Except you're in the way.
Hey, so what are we doing this morning?
We're getting ready, and we're gonna go check out the farmers market.
Did you like your breakfast in bed?
Yeah, that was awesome.
Yeah.
You mean breakfast in the V-berth?
Breakfast in bed in the boat.
Yeah.
Yes.
I loved it. It was
Awesome sandwiches. So we're going to Chestertown today. They have a farmers market, and we would figure that for tonight's dinner we were going to get everything for dinner from the farmers market.
Great.
They have wineries, they have cheese, they have
Yeah,
steaks, they have fresh fruits and vegetables, and so we're going to go to that farmers market today, and we're going to get every single thing for dinner and see what we can come up with.
Sounds good.
And hot coffee.
Yes, I need
Hot coffee. Little overcast and rainy day out today. So we just got back from Chestertown.
It was very cute.
It was very cute. They have a farmer's market there every Saturday, and really, really cool old town.
Very
I
cute.
mean, like, brick streets, and
Very
all kind of antique shops and gift shops and restaurants. It's right on the water on the Chester River, and ice cream stores,
Like music shop.
music shops,
Furniture makers.
all
neat
kinds of really cool
stores.
stuff. But we ended up going to the farmers market, and tons of really cool stuff. So this is all the stuff that we got for our dinner tonight. So we got some steaks, we got some rustic bread, we got all kinds of little pies and fresh hydroponic basil and tomatoes and crab cheddar and all kinds of cool fresh butter. That's really cool stuff. Did I already say butter?
No.
Maybe. Okay. And they had all kinds of really cool stuff. I mean, even fresh beef and pork and eggs and ice cream and everything that you could take back. So this is kind of cool. So we're going to have a great dinner on the boat. So, how are you doing today, baby?
I'm really tired. How about you?
I am exhausted. Why are you tired and exhausted?
Don't be so corny. You're so like, why are you tired and exhausted? Because we went for a sailing lesson today and it was raining and gusting 20 to 35 knots.
Yeah, so today we decided to, down here at the marina through the Maryland School of Sailing, to upgrade our skills a bit and do an entire day of docking and maneuvering. Unfortunately,
It rained the whole day.
it rained torrential the entire day with sustained winds of 10 to 15 miles an hour and gusts to like 20, 25 miles an hour. So it was challenging, to say the least.
Yes.
So I think our skills got challenged, and it was kind of crazy. But so
we're starving and exhausted.
so we're
and
having
tired.
wine and we're having cheese and we're gonna grill some burgers. But and we got the best showers, I think, of our lives.
Yeah.
It was probably the best, hottest, awesomest, soapiest shower I've ever had in my life.
We were cold
Chilled to the bone.
and drenched all day.
Yes.
But it was an experience. Bruised and
Battered.
I feel better.
Yes,
Yeah.
I absolutely do. And we also have the comforter in the dryer at the marina, so it'll be nice and hot for us.
Had a great captain.
Yes.
It was awesome.
Yeah. So our
Awesome.
last, the last time we did this, we had, the boat was still in St. Michael's. So now we're up towards Rock Hall, Maryland. So we moved the boat up through, from St. Michael's through Kent Narrows up to Rock Hall, Maryland, and we're in our new marina off the Chester River, and it's beautiful. I
great.
absolutely love it.
Awesome.
And we've been down a couple times doing little projects, and we're down for this whole weekend. So tomorrow today was sailing.
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow is going to be cleaning out the water tanks, measuring for some bimini work, measuring for hatch covers.